No. 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 Hey. Sorry. Hey, stop. Don't take that drink, please.
What's happening?
Don't take that drink.
Are you, why are you holding the car? Are you recording me?
Yes, I am recording you for your own good and my own good too. My name is J Mark. I am the manager of this hotel.
I got you. I see that picture of the CEO. Which kind of joke is this one? Brother,
Sorry, sir. It's not a joke. It is not a joke. Please, can you listen to me? I have something to tell you. Do you know this girl?
Okay, wait. What kind of person is that? Eh?
I'm my friend now. What's up?
Do you trust her?
Hey, you can't trap this one. Say, I need this friend. He's that one I trust you. I know my friend, bro. So my friend, I think that's it.
Okay, wait, sir. What is it?
She poisoned your drink.
Wait. Okay. Wait. I know this is a joke.
Bro, carry your camera. Come on, here. Man. Don't.
I am not joking, please. I told you earlier, I am the manager of this hotel.
Okay,
You know, I know you. I've been watching your movies. You're an actor, right? I am not doing this because you're an actor or because I've been watching your movies. What I would do to my customers is what I would do to every other people that come here.
okay,
This girl poisoned your drink.
Okay, can you just stop this nonsense? Stop recording me in the first place. What sort of nonsense is this now?
Are you trying to call me a liar?
Okay, show you the wine. What sort of nonsense?
Fine. Ask her to sip a little from this drink. Ask her to sip a little from this drink. It is not a prank, Oga. It is not a prank. I am the manager of this hotel. If she's denying what I just said, ask her to sip a little. Drink from that cup.
This is not. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you insane? Have you gone bananas? What sort of nonsense is this? Okay, this is not my drink. So why are you telling me to drink? You brought me here to embarrass me, right? Fool. You brought me here to insult me, right, Victor?
No.
Hey. Don't even try it because you can't get out of this hotel.
Leave me.
Ask the security to lock that gate. Fine.
Are you okay?
I will slap you here. Don't listen.
Okay, don't record me. Oh.
I am-
Hey.
Okay, do you know what? Follow me to my office.
You have evidence.
Let's go to my office.
Where your office is?
This way.
What sort of nonsense? I'm not going anywhere.
Let's go. You said what?
Leave me, Jerry.
Let's go. Let's go to the office.
You said she poisoned this drink.
Let's go to the office. Let's go. Come, just follow me. Let's go to the office. Come.
Come, which kind of prank? See, if you prank.
Follow me to my office. Okay, I am doing this for your own good. Follow me to my office. Come.
You're not even okay. You know just.
What did happen, bro? What did happen now? I don't know. It might just come.
I
Put poison in my drink. I don't understand which kind of thing. That one has strong word.
Come, can you come? Come.
They ask me for you again, though. No, see, if na prank, I go shut down.
Bring that girl. Let her come.
Where the office is?
See my office here. Come.
What did happen now, bro? I don't know. So what did happen now? What did happen?
Don't worry.
Stop recording me, Jerry. Ah!
Calm down.
What did happen?
Just look at. Just watch
Well, I
it.
see what's matter. Wow.
Just watch it.
Jesus! What is that? What are you? What are you?
No. It's okay. No. Stop. Stop it. No. No, don't do it. No, please. No, it's okay. It's okay.
What I do? You don't
No, no, it's okay. Leave her, please. You don't kill somebody in my office, please. I told you. I told you.
Now you cause am, Oga.
You see the talk.
Oga, sorry. Just go and relax. No, no, come on. Please, stop. Stop, stop.
But I can't even look innocent.
No, no, please now. Stop. Stop.
What the
Stop. You don't do. You don't do. You don't do. You don't do. You don't do, please. It's okay. You don't do. Can't you calm down?
Calm down what? Calm down what? What nonsense?
Why did you poison her
Why
drink?
did you bring me here to embarrass
Why did you
me?
poison his drink?
Why you going to embarrass me?
What
Oga?
did he do? What did he do to you? He said you are his girlfriend. What did he do to you?
Nonsense. Girlfriend, come, girlfriend.
Nah, if I get you
Rubbish.
I beg. If you come that hotel, oh, they go drink. I don't know what in there happen here. Just confess.
Oga, please, it's okay. Just go outside and sit.
Nonsense.
No, please, it's okay. No, I'm sorry.
If you touch me again.
You said you get bad mouth, so you won't keep us here talk.
Shut up, all of them.
I go.
I said no, I don't fire you, idiot, bastard. Fool.
Look at what they are doing to you. Can't you calm down?
Not be you cause I'm. You want me to say that.